Halal is a way of life. It is for everyone in terms of consumption and utilization. Halal certified products are consumable by all regardless of faith, race, and preference. Halal is synonymous to pure and wholesome, healthy, safe, humane, fair, and environment friendly.
Dear brothers and sisters, I cannot express how happy I am again to be in Philippines and to see my brother Filipinos. Islam is the only religion that has in itself the idea and the concept of peace. Islam is the concept of peace. It means peace.
We consider halal industry as a very promising industry, not just in the Philippines, but also in the entire world. There are indications, there are reports that indicate that the halal industry is a multi-trillion industry.
Haji Rauf Leiden, that she is a star and the queen of halal in the Asia. So thank you, the queen, that you brought me to your proximity so that I can be part of this great mission. And that is the mission to tell the people to appreciate halal and to be grateful and to be nice to each other.